All right, here we are on tutorial number 1 for our InDesign sessions. First thing we're going to talk about is how do you keep your project in control. InDesign is different from something like Microsoft Word, where if you're combining text and images in Microsoft Word, it actually saves that image within the Word document, which means your InDesign document, or I'm sorry, your Microsoft Word document expands in size very quickly. Okay. InDesign only keeps a link to your image file, so you can edit that file, you can do whatever you need to do with it, and it links to wherever you store that file. Problem comes when you've got files taken from all over the place, and then InDesign lose track of where they are, and you go to print your book and they come out all pixelated and horrible, and that's a problem. Okay, so we avoid all that. 2 steps. First thing you do, every project that you do in InDesign, you create a job folder. Okay, so here's a little booklet that I did a few years ago. What I've got here is a job folder that I've called Florida Book 2012. Right? Inside that job folder, when I created the InDesign file, I saved it inside the job folder. All right? Also, next to that is a little folder called Images, and inside the Images folder are all the images that I use in that booklet. All right? Now, there's a few extras too, because I was doing a little bit of editing and some of them didn't make the final cut, but they're all in there. And the most important thing you'll notice about inside that file is that they're all TIFFs. Till you come down here and you see a couple of JPEGs, so those are obviously ones I didn't use. But we're going to save all those files in the same way, and that's what we'll talk about in lesson 2. So to sum up, for every InDesign project you create a job folder. Inside that folder, you save your InDesign file. You also have a folder that'll hold all the images, and all those images are going to be saved in the same format. All right, come back for number 2 to see what that one's about.